Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to password protect a page on your Wix website. This is incredibly useful when you want to restrict access to certain content, whether it's member-only resources, client portals, or exclusive information that shouldn't be publicly available. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, head over to the Wix website and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left navigation menu, locate and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with several options. From here, click on Website. This will take you to the specific website you want to work on. You'll now see a preview of your website settings. Take a moment to make sure that this is indeed the website where you want to password protect a page. It's always good to double check, especially if you manage multiple sites, to avoid making changes to the wrong one. From this page, locate the Design Site button at the top part of your screen. It's typically beside a pen icon, so it should be fairly easy to spot. Click on this button to proceed to the editing interface. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to customizing and managing your site. From here, start by locating Pages and Menu Settings on the left navigation panel and click on it. This section is your control center for all the pages on your website. An expanded menu will appear, showing you a complete list of all the pages you have on your website. Now, locate the specific page you wish to password protect. Hover your cursor over that page and you'll see a three-dot icon, also known as the More Actions button. Click on it to reveal additional options for that page. A settings window will appear with several options. Select Settings from this menu. This will open up a detailed settings page for that specific page. Look for the Permissions tab within these settings. Under the Permissions tab, you'll find an option named Password Holders. This feature is exactly what we need. It lets you set a password for a certain page and restricts viewing of its content to only those who have the password. Simply set a password you wish to use for this page. Make sure it's something secure but also something you can easily share with those who need access. And that's it. You've successfully password protected a page on your Wix website. This simple security measure gives you control over who sees your content and helps you manage access to sensitive or exclusive information. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.